Welcome to Jagran Public School, Noida. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, today we will be learning EVS of class UKG. So, first, let's see the topics which we are going to learn in this video. Me and my nature. We are going to learn about me and my nature. Under that topic, we are going to learn about air, uses of air, water, sources of water, uses of water, and worksheets related to the above. So these are the topics which we will cover in today's video. So let's start. So students, what is nature? Do you know what is nature? All the plants, animals, birds, etc. in the universe and all the things that happen in it that are not man-made or caused by people is called nature. So हमारा जो nature है उसमें सारे plants, animals, birds जो कि man-made नहीं हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं nature. So our first topic is uses of air. So children, do you know what is air? Air हवा को बोलते हैं. हवा, air. The first use of air is for breathing. हम सांस लेते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें air की ज़रूरत होती है. For breathing. For blowing candles. For flying kite. For birds to fly, we need air. For blowing a balloon. For drying clothes. For blowing bubbles. For sailing boat, we need air. So children, as you can see on your screen, these are the uses of air. For these activities, we need air. So you have to learn what are the uses of air. Our next topic is sources of water. Water क्या होता है? पानी. अब हमें कहाँ कहाँ से पानी मिल सकता है वो हम पढ़ेंगे. The first source of water is rain. We get water from rain. So the first source of water is rain. Second source of water is well. मतलब कुआं. Third source of water is sea. Samudra. Fourth source of water is river. Nadi. Fifth source of water is pond. मतलब तालाब. And the sixth source of water is hand pump. So these are the 6 sources of water which you have studied in your EVS book. So you have to learn what are the sources of water. The sources of water are rain, well, sea, river, pond and hand pump. Next, our topic is uses of water. Water कहाँ कहाँ use होता है? Water is used for drinking. Water is used for cooking food. Water is used for washing clothes. Water is used for cleaning floor. Water is used for washing utensils. Water is used for brushing. And water is used for watering plants. So children, these are the activities in which we need water. So you have to learn the uses of water. Next, this is your worksheet of water. In this you have to tick the activities that needed water. जिन activities में हमें पानी की ज़रूरत है, हमें उन activities को tick करना है. So, for swimming we need water. For washing dishes we need water. For watering plants we need water. And for drinking tea we need water. So these are the activities in which you will tick. So let's see our next worksheet. Our next worksheet says circle that needs air to live. So parrot is a bird which needs air to live. Human being needs air to live. Fish and butterfly needs air to live. Cat, tree, frog and lion needs air to live. So children, you can see the animals, plants, birds, human being which I have circled are living things and they need air to live. So like this you have to complete this worksheet. Next worksheet, circle the living things that breathe air. Now we have to circle the living things that breathe air. Cat, fish, baby, plant. These four are the living things which need air to breathe. Circle the objects that are filled with air. Ball, balloon and tire are filled with air. Next worksheet says put a cross below the picture which shows wastage of water. Put a tick below the picture which shows water being used without wastage. So हमें इन pictures को देखना है and इसमें हमें उस पे क्रॉस करना है जिसमें आप देख रहे हो पानी वेस्ट हो रहा है and उन पिक्चर्स को टिक करना है जहाँ पे पानी वेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है. So पहली पिक्चर में आप देख रहे हो the tap is closed, तो हम यहाँ पर टिक करेंगे. एंड जो सेकेंड पिक्चर आप देख रहे हैं वहाँ पर जो टैप है उसमें से बकेट में से पानी ओवरफ्लो हो रहा है और वेस्ट हो रहा है. सो हम उस पिक्चर के नीचे जो बॉक्स है उसमें हम क्रॉस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर आप देख रहे हो जो मैन है वो पाइप से वाटर दे रहा है प्लांट्स को, जो कि एक वेस्टेज है क्योंकि हमें वाटरिंग कैन से पानी देना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट में आप देख रहे हो the girl is brushing her teeth. In the left picture the tap is closed, so we will put a tick, and in the right picture you can see the tap is on, so the water is flowing and getting wasted, so we will put a cross. Last picture you can see the man is using bucket and sponge to clean the car, and in the right picture you can see the man using water pipe to clean his car. So we will put a cross in the right picture and tick in the left picture. So now like this you have to complete this worksheet. So children, in this session we have learned about me and my nature. We have learned about air. What are the uses of air we have learned? We have learned what about water, uses of water, sources of water. So you have to learn all these topics and keep practicing at home and keep revising all the topics which we have done previously. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.